So we're gonna do another headlight, glass headlight video with Bob. It didn't really come out that good. You guys all commented that it was hard to see, so we're gonna try to do it better with these ones. We're gonna be doing the chasing halos and then LED strip, and yeah, we're gonna be opening this up. Guess I'll do a how-to on this one a little bit better. We're gonna be using a heat gun. Don't really prefer it, but it still works either way. It just takes a little bit longer to open up the headlight. Other than that, yeah, we should be good. Let's go ahead and start heating this up. So what we're gonna do is grab the heat gun. We're just gonna heat up all around. Basically, we're gonna pry open. This one is like a different type of glue, so hopefully it comes off pretty easy. But yeah, heat it up and take the lens off. That's the first thing we're gonna do. Alright, so we got the lens off. You really just gotta pop the tabs, these ones off, and then they pry off. This one was taken off previously, so it came off pretty easy. First thing we notice is this is pretty loose. There's a screw right here. It goes into, I think right here, I believe, or right there actually. So we'll go ahead and fix that. But yeah, so this one comes off. Pretty cool. What size is this one? 80 millimeter. So this is an 80. So this is an 80 millimeter. So far I'm thinking just notching it right there, little slit, so the wires could tuck in right there. Should be good. Alright, so this is the 80 millimeter that goes around, so it's not taped up yet, but this is where I notched it at. Just up here, you won't be able to see it once it's on, but yeah, it's notched right there, so it could fit. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and probably tape this one up. This one should be about good to go for this one. Alright, now that we're gonna tape this up, you can see where it notched at. Just put some of that rubber sealant right here, just so to hold this in place. And then the wire just goes all around where the bulb goes, so that's pretty nice. Now we're gonna figure out how to wire this LED strip. We'll do it right here. We got this wired up. Like I showed you in the previous clip. I went back here and this goes out. Nothing's fully closed off yet. There's another one. Put the glue right there so to hold it in place better, but it comes with double-sided tape. You can see the double-sided tape right there. This is the 80, fits around the shroud, and then the 75, right, fits inside. The 75 fits inside the shroud?
Yeah, 75 fits inside.
So the 75 millimeter fits inside, kind of like this one over here. You can see this one fits more inside.
Are you connected?
Yeah, I need to drop a Bluetooth back on it. Yeah. So this works. There you go. You can play with it. So it comes with a few settings, but here is the chasing halo. How it works is just so many functions on it. Alright, so this is the stuff we use to reseal the headlight. It's brutal rubber or something like that. You get at AutoZone for like 15 bucks, like a whole roll of this. Went ahead and just put a little bit just in the cracks. I'm gonna heat it up put that on and put another layer around it, you'll see. So when you run the wires through the back right here, you just make a hole through here. Then I just put some of this on here and then it'll seal it up. I'll do that right now. Alright, so like I said, just put it around it. I already put some in the channels, closed it, and then I put it around it so it's basically like double sealant. This is how the halos look. You can kind of see the notch from up here, but you're not going to see it when the headlights are on. But yeah, he's putting all the bulbs and everything back together. We got one mounted already. It's all said and done. Just need to clean the lens. You can see everything's all on there. Pretty good. With the wire sticking out. So this is where it comes with this little, I don't know, like the battery supply thing. So I guess this converts it to like a lower voltage so that way it doesn't fry it. I'm just assuming. You got your Bluetooth module, so you can connect it to your app. And you got each one of these are for your headlights. And it's very simple on this side, just power and ground. So we'll go ahead and wire the power and ground real quick. Literally, we're just gonna put it right here and there. And after that, I'll show you guys everything else. Alright, so this one you can see how I ran it. Just put the rubber, the little sealant all around. That way water don't get into it. And real quick, we're testing it.
What time is Mariah?
So we got power, which is this one. We ran it right here. We just gotta zip tie it up, probably like around here somewhere. But everything is hooked up. That's how it is. So I gotta do that side. There's like 200 different modes. We just ran the wire, zip tied them everywhere that it might rub at. We're good all around. Looks pretty good.
Well, that's clean.
What do you think about them?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, he said. Not great, good. No, it's good. Just gotta put the bumper back on. Alright, bumper's on. This guy's spoiled now later in the day. We'll put the whole links of everything that we use and all that in the description. But yeah, here are the Chasing Halos. Maybe if it gets real dark, we'll show you how it looks at night. But it's pretty bright already.
You'll see that.
You got the gay pride going on right now.
I stand with them.
And now
My switchback doesn't work.
we're gonna swap the clear lights. I just barely put on the black one into here. I haven't showed you guys. I put the clear ones on because the video's not out yet. Damn, dude. What's up with this?
What?
Trying to give us some freaking...
Oh, what the hell?
Alright, that one's good. Maybe it's just loose. Probably the bolts in there is loose. This guy.
Dude, I'm glad I have the fucking bracket on the bottom.
Oh, yeah. We gotta take his bumper off because he didn't do the cool mod. What's the cool mod? It's right here.
A bunch of shit.
Alright. We're gonna slap on and trade the taillights for the 20th time. Alright. 7:25. We'll see who could get this done faster. You had already a 5-minute head start. Find out right now. Alright. 7:30. Been about only 5 minutes. And this one's already about to come off right now. Oh, both of them should be able to come off. Just like that. Let's see where he's at, because he didn't do the cool mod. Still gotta take his bumper off. Alright, I'll show you guys after. 7:48. Barely getting one side done. You learn a lesson today?
Cut your taillights.
Cut your tabs. Cut these tabs right here. Saves you a lot of time.
Would have had them on already.
Yep. He would have not had to remove his bumper.
Uh-oh.
Clears. Smoked both depots. Leave in the comments if you think she's making a bad choice getting the smoke ones, or she made a good choice getting the smoke ones. Oof. And I also got the clears on mine. The clear with the dark green pearl. Is that what it is?
Yes.
Or deep green pearl?
Deep green.
Ooh.
Oh,
Go down.
why are they lower now?
No, this is for just your bumper anyway. This is for your bumper.
Oh, okay.
And plus, remember there's tabs, so that's why they don't touch no more. Now we got the smoke ones on hers. Looks pretty good. Ooh. Alright, before I just throw some clips of the halos at night and end this video in a bit. A little bit darker.